Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Joseph. I'm doing my BTech second year from Karunya University in Computer Science and Engineering. So today I'll be teaching you one program of data structures which I got from my university in Data Structures Lab. So let's see what is it about. So it's about implementation of hashing with collision resolution techniques. So let's see the code. So in this code I've used two header files and then I've made these three functions, and these three functions are function prototypes. So we'll see these functions first. So void display function is used for displaying the elements which are present inside the hash table. And this function int search is used for searching the elements which are present inside the hash table. So over here I've declared two integer variables and I've initialized p with info modulo 5. Then I've used an if statement and then it will return the value of p, and then I've used one for loop, and again I've used one if statement, and then it will return the value of q, and one more if statement, and then it will return the value -1. So that's how we do for searching. And then I've made this function void insertion. This function is used for inserting an element inside the hash table. So over here I have declared two integer variables key and I, and I have initialized key with info modulo 5. So if a of key equals to -1, a of key equals to info. So I have initialized this thing with info, and then I have used one else and one for loop, one else statement, and then I have breaked it, and then I have used one more statement, and if I equals to key, then hash table is full. So that is, you cannot insert any element inside the hash table. So now we'll see the main function. So in this main function I've used some for loop, and I've initialized a of I equals with -1, and then I have declared three integer variables select, info, and check, and then I've used one do while loop. So there's the output statement. So 1 insert, 2 search, 3 display, 4 exit. So then it will say enter your choice. So it says that the user has to enter any one choice. So for insertion we have to press 1, for searching we have to press 2, for displaying 3, and if we want to exit then we have to press 4. So then I have to use one search case, and if the user presses 1, that's for insertion, it will ask the user to enter the data. So the user has to enter the data, and then in case 2, that is for searching, it will say ask the user to enter the data to be searched. So the user has to enter the data which he wants to search for. So check out the search info, it will go in that function and it will do the necessary things. So if check equals to -1, it will show the output statement as the search data is not in our database. So that is it, the user hasn't entered anything, or he has given some other value. Or else if there is the data inside the hash table, it will say the search data is found in index, and it will show the index position. Great. And then if the user presses 3, that is for displaying the elements which are present inside the hash table, it will display all the elements which are present inside the hash table. And 4 is to exit from the program. So let's execute this program and let's see what happens. So 1 is for insertion. So for that we have to press 1. So enter the data. Well before. One more. 5. Can do it a few more times. 9. So 3 will display all these elements which we have inserted in the hash table. So 3 is for displaying. So you can see that all these elements are there. Now you might be wondering that why this -1 came. So it's just like you can just neglect it, and then there's 2 for searching. So press any like type any number and enter like 5974. So we'll search for 5. So for that we have to press 5, and it will say the search data is found in index 0, and then for 4, if we press so, it will exit. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and if you have any doubt, feel free to ask your doubt in comment section. Thank you.